Oh shit,
It's recording.
man. Man. Man, you already know it's Swag ENT up in this goddamn shit. SOE. Shit out here in Athens. And the goddamn booties, goddamn shit.
Hell yeah, my nigga.
Goddamn
What the
shit.
fuck? Bonies.
Man, shit. I don't even know where the fuck I'm at,
Hell
goddamn.
no, goddamn.
I'm from New York. I'm from the city. I don't even fuck with the country like that. Look at this hungry ass nigga right here.
Booming in this bitch. We originated, baby.
What you say, kid?
I don't talk to the camera, son.
What you say?
Look. Hey, what?
him on there.
Yeah,
Swag dot ENT.
That's gonna blow up.
You know what I mean?
That's me.
What race is that right there? Anyway. So we, you know where I live, bro. Find this baby. Showing my taco. Okay, she wanna talk shit. Bow! Showing her. What's up? What's up, Jazz? What's up, baby?
Oh, shit.
Look, no, don't be trying to turn your head. We already in.
Get my outfits.
Whatever. Don't look, nigga, that's mine. Anyway, back to your boy Big Chris.
What he say? Don't look, nigga, that's mine.
Shit. Man, you already know, goddamn. Shit. Song finna come out. You already know. Shit. It's your boy. Man, you already know. You already know it's your boy Big Chris. We got that big boy bounce finna come out. Yeah, aka Slim. You already know I ain't slim, goddamn. I'm goddamn heavy. So heavy. But shit, But shit, you already know the big boy swag finna come out.
Yeah, you know.
My nigga Imp finna be on that thing.
Swag
Know what I mean?
ENT.
Shit, G finna be on that thing. Shout out to the Pullin' Boys. Especially little AJ. I saw your video.
I know.
You goddamn handle that nigga. Finna put that nigga in the toilet.
Okay.
That's some fucked up shit.
Yeah.
That's some fucked up shit. You my little son though. Know what I mean? Shout out to all my niggas. Goddamn. My little son Al birthday tomorrow. Nigga talking about he got them slopes on his goddamn car. I see you, son. Nah, I mean, got them skaters, nigga. We finna stun on these niggas. Know what I mean? Shout out to my nigga Josh. Shout out to all about the goddamn Better Hills niggas. You already goddamn know. It's SOE. Know what I mean? We fuck with all y'all niggas. Oh, and shout out to all them goddamn haters.
For real.
All y'all niggas be hating on us.
Take the hat, my nigga. Take the hat.
Hold on. Y'all niggas, shit, nigga. We got Gucci shoes up in this shit, nigga. Man, what the fuck y'all talking about, nigga?
Okay.
We getting bread around here. Y'all niggas don't know. Goddamn, shit. Y'all can see me in the Charger.
Live with the camera.
Y'all niggas can see me in the Charger on the weekend. Y'all can see me in the BMW. Niggas already know how I'm finna goddamn act. Know what I mean? Shit. And we got the hotel room tomorrow. Know what I mean? My little son birthday tomorrow. My little son Al, nigga finna turn 16 and got more money than everybody out here. And that's real goddamn talk.
House big as this one at all of them right there.
Tell me, this nigga spoiled. This nigga got an Impala, Carolina Blue, sitting on some fours, and this nigga only 15 with some slopes on it. Like, what kind of shit is this? And this nigga only 15. But that's my little son though, goddamn. I mean, but shit. Shout out to all them other niggas that be rapping, nigga. Shout out to Can't Stop Music.
Stackhouse, where y'all live?
Shit, Stackhouse, nah, I mean, my nigga D Ward, goddamn Baker Boy, nah, I mean, all my goddamn niggas. Y'all already know how we gonna act. Goddamn, but shit, I'm finna eat. I'm hungry as fuck, so I'm gonna fuck with y'all.